Hello children, welcome back to the math class. So today we will discuss do this column. So this is page number 274. So first question, find sin C and second one cos C and third one tan C in the adjacent triangle. So already figure out solidum. That is C. Right angle is at B. That is A. Here in this triangle, two sides measurement given 5 centimeters, 13 centimeters. Here angle denoted by here C. Okay. So only in this triangle two measurements only given, but here question is find sin C, cos C, tan C. Previous class I explained three formulas: sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So what is the formula of sin C? Opposite side of angle C by, here theta not denoted, C denoted no, so that's why here angle is C. Sin C means opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. But in this triangle, depends upon the angle here denoted by C, no? So that's why here angle denoted angle is C. Okay, so here. So sin C formula opposite by hypotenuse. Through this angle, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. But here AB measurement not given, no? So first of all, you have to find the measurement of AB. Okay, how to find this measurement? So this triangle is a right angle triangle. So already in that right angle triangle two measurements are given. So how to find third? By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by applying Pythagoras theorem rule, here we have to find AB measurement. So first of all, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So in this figure, hypotenuse is what? AC and side is BC and AB, two sides. One side is AB and another side is BC. So substitute here the values. AC value given already. How much given? 13. And AB measurement not given. So BC how much given? 5. So 13 square. 13 13s 169. And 5 5s are 25. Now we want to find AB value. So these two are numerals. So that's why this numeral moves to left side. Minus 25 is equal to AB square. By subtraction of both numbers you will get 144. So that is AB square. So square is there. Square moves to left side root. Root 144. The square root of 144 is 12. So that's why AB is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Now you got AB measurement. So that is how much? 12 centimeters. Okay. Now let us find given questions. The first question is sin C. So already I told sin formula. What is that? Opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. So in this triangle, depends upon the C, opposite side of C. Opposite side of C is what? AB. And hypotenuse is AC. So AB value how much? 12 centimeters. And AC measurement is 13 centimeters. So centimeters cancel, 12 by 13. Okay. So next bit is cos C. So cos formula is adjacent side of angle So BC how much given? 5 centimeters, and AC measurement is 13 centimeters. Centimeter cancel. 5 by 13 is the answer. And third bit is tan C. So next bit is tan C. Tan formula is opposite side of angle C by adjacent side of angle C. So C opposite, C adjacent. C opposite. C opposite is AB, C adjacent is BC. So AB by BC. AB measurement 12 centimeters and BC measurement 5 centimeters. So both are cancelled. 12 by 5. Now this is the answer. Okay, next one. Second question. In a triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle, HZ is equal to 17 centimeters and YZ is equal to 15 centimeters. Then find first one sin x, second one cos z, third one tan x. So in this question, figure not given, no? Okay, using this given condition, you have to draw a figure. So see this question. In a triangle XYZ. Okay, in XYZ triangle, angle Y is a right angle. So first of all, draw one right angle triangle. So this is right angle symbol. Right angle is at Y. So that's why here mentioned Y. Remaining in XYZ letters, XZ are the remaining. XZ. As you wish, you will select XZ. Okay. Otherwise, here X, here Z also no problem. Okay, ma'am. But here mentioned no Y is at right angle. So that's why here we should use only Y. Okay. So next measurements. XZ given 17 centimeters. XZ 17 and YZ 15. Okay. So only two measurements only given. Okay, ma. Here XZ 17 given, no? But sorry, here 17 centimeters. Okay. Hypotenuse given and one more side is given. Only two measurements given. Now we want to find third measurement. How to find third measurement? So by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is xz and side. These two are the sides. One side is yz and another side is xy. So xz how much given? 17. YZ 15 and now we want to find XY. XY not given, no? So 17 square. 17 square means 17 17s. 289. 15 15s. 225 plus XY square. So these two are the numerals. So numerals moves to one side, ma. So 225 moves to left side, minus 225 is equal to XY square. Now subtraction of these two, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 2 minus 2, 0. So is equal to xy square. Square moves to left side, root 64. So square root of 64 is 8 centimeters. Now we will get xy value, how much? 8 centimeters. Now we want to find these three bits. First bit is sin x. Sin x formula. Opposite side of angle x by hypotenuse. Okay. Opposite side of x. X opposite is yz hypotenuse is hz. So yz measurement is 15 centimeters and hz measurement is 17 centimeters. So cancel 15 by 17. And second bit is cos z. Cos z. Cos formula adjacent side. Adjacent side of angle z. Here angle there. Angle is changed ma. Hypotenuse. Okay, here cos z. So z adjacent. Z adjacent is yz and hypotenuse is hz. So yz value is 15 and hz is 17. 15 by 17 centimeters. So both are cancelled. 15 by 17. Here angles are changed. So that's why sin x and cos z both you will get same answer. Okay, 15 by 17. And third one is tan x. Tan x. Tan formula opposite side of angle x by adjacent side of angle x. Okay. X opposite, x adjacent. X opposite is yz and x adjacent. X adjacent is xy. Yz value 15 and xy value is 8. That means 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Both are cancelled. 15 by 8. Okay. Finished ma? Next. And next, third sum. Third sum, you take as homework ma. So directly given PQR triangle and right angle is at Q. So that means first of all draw a triangle, right angle triangle like this. But here you mentioned Q. Already given the right angle is at Q. So that's why they mentioned Q. P and R as you wish. Okay. But angle P is X and kada. So here you mention X. Okay. Here you mention X ma. PQ measurement given, QR measurement given. So here hypotenuse is not given. Using Pythagoras theorem you have to calculate this side. So after that sin x and cos x. Same process. Okay ma. So this sum. So this is sum number 3. So that is taken as homework. Next one is try this column. Try this column. This is very important question. So in a right angle triangle, ABC, the right angle is HC. So, and BC plus CA is equal to 23 and BC minus CA is equal to 7. Find sin A, tan. Sin A and tan. See this question. In a right angle triangle ABC. Okay. So right angle is at C. So first of all draw right angle triangle. So right angle is at C. So that's why here mention C. So AB as you wish. Here A, here B. Okay ma? But here measurements of sides not given. Here sum of the sides and difference of the sides given. Okay. Directly each side's length not given now. So first of all you can solve these two conditions. Okay. So first of all take given condition. First one is BC plus CA 23 centimeters and BC minus CA 7 centimeters. So this is condition 1 and this is condition 2. Observe here two different variables are there. Okay. So these two, by solving these two equations you will get one value. So here BC same, CA same. Okay. So after of any variable, you will get one more answer. Okay, here two different variables are there. So that's why you can eliminate any either CA or BC. So observe this both the condition. Here plus symbol is there, here minus symbol. Suppose we can add both the conditions. Both are cancelled now. So that's why here applying add conditions 1 and 2. So first condition is BC plus CA is equal to 23. Vertical method you have to do ma. BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. So CA cancel. So remaining BC plus BC. How many BCs? 2 BCs. Here 23 plus 7 how much? 30. Now BC is equal to 2 moves to right side, 30 by 2. 2 tables how many times? 15 times. Now we got one answer now. So what is that? BC value is 15 centimeters. So here mention 15 centimeters. Okay. So now you got one side measurement BC. Suppose this value is substituted either equation 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Select any one. Suppose this BC value is substituted in the place of BC. You will get CA value now. So that's why this value is substituted either 1 or 2. So now I can select only equation 1. So that's why substitute BC value in equation 1. So substitute here BC plus how much? 15 plus CA is equal to 23. Now CA is equal to 15 moves to right side minus 15. So subtract both the 23 minus 15, 13 minus 5, 8, 1 minus 1, 0. So 8 centimeters. Okay. So CA how much you got? 8 centimeters. Now after solving these two conditions, you got two measurements. BC measurement and AC measurement. BC is 15 and AC is 8. But one more side is there now. How to find that side? This is a right angle triangle. So that's why as usual we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is AB. One side is BC and another side is AC. Okay, BC given 15, AC given 8. 15 square plus 8 square. 15 15s are 225. 8 8s are 64. So add both numbers. 289. 289. The square root of 289. Square moves to right side now. So AB is equal to square root of 289. Square root of 289 is 17. 17 17s are 289. So here 17. Now you got three measurements now. So here how many questions remain? Two questions. First one is sin A and tan A. So first bit is sin A. Sin formula is opposite side of angle A. Here A angle by hypotenuse. So A opposite. In this figure A opposite is BC and hypotenuse is A. BC measurement is how much? 15 centimeters. AB measurement is 17. By cancellation 15 by 17. And the second bit is tan B. Tan formula opposite side of angle A. Angle A or sorry B. Tan B no here. So that's why our opposite side of angle B by adjacent side of angle B. So B opposite, B adjacent. See this figure, B opposite is AC, B adjacent is BC. AC measurement 8 centimeters and BC measurement 15 centimeters.